baby. You're on video. Look at you, kitty. You're a pretty girl. Look at you, pretty girl. You were meowing back there. I couldn't play with you though. Somebody hacked my computer. And they're messing with the touchscreen. Yeah, I've been trying to upload today, but somebody messed with the computer. And, yeah, they're messing with the touchscreen, and the same exact cluster of touchscreen touches appears repeatedly. I don't know if it's a malfunction or a hacker, but I'm gonna find out, and hopefully unplugging and restarting my computer is gonna help. Look at you, kitty. You're a pretty girl. Listen to that purr. Listen to that purr. You gonna kiss me? You gonna give me a kiss? Aww. So yeah, I can't upload from my computer right now, so I'm just gonna hang with the kitty, and I'll have to report on this book another time. 'Cause I finally got a hold of it, and then I just couldn't upload the video of me filling out a couple of parts. They want to see you kiss me, baby. Okay, if you're not gonna kiss me, then I'm gonna turn the camera off. You can kiss me off camera. One last chance. Oh, that was a kiss. Good girl. I wish I'd had the camera on her, but I just couldn't quite position it right. Let's see if she does it again. Guess not. Okay. Say bye-bye, kitty.